So moving through, the trans is seeping. So I think Justin's got some work to do here. But that's not a big deal. It looks like it's just reseal.
Yeah.
Easy. We're gonna need a new boot for the fork.
Yeah.
That's funky. Oh look! Someone put the white trash spring chinguses in.
Yeah.
It's got modern Monroe Sensa tracks.
Yeah.
Fail.
Yeah.
Those will go bye-bye.
Can you take the spacer out?
If you can get. We'll put a half drive on it later. Yeah, this one came out by hand, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. I used to run these when we'd have to cheat.
Check this one out. That's pretty ingenious.
Oh my God.
Double, I've never seen something like that, but that's a pretty smart hillbilly that did that.
I need to take a picture of that.
Yeah.
And we need to throw some spring rate in the race car. Maybe we can do that.
Yeah.
Because I don't like taking shit apart because we're lazy.
Yeah. That'd be pretty easy.
Do that between segments.
Uh-huh.
Like you need to free the car up.
Yeah.
Yeah. That'd get us in trouble probably, but whatever. Hey, at least brake lines are new.
The hoses are.
Yeah, those.
I ordered new hard lines for it.
Okay, I love these, just so you know.
What's that?
The factory manifolds. They're like
Oh,
long
yeah,
tube manifolds. It's badass.
Yeah, they're killers. This doesn't look right.
I like how it's like black and blue and rust because somebody's dumb and doesn't know how to paint.
Yeah.
That's not a big deal. Cork gasket. That's
I'm
going
guessing
bye-bye.
this motor's coming apart because this freeze plug looks new.
Well, we might have to. We'll see what we got.
Yeah.
Before we make any judgments, we'll see what we have.
Yeah. Yeah, this return spring setup here is incorrect.
Oh yeah, that's some backwoods.
Missing this dust shield, but that's not a big
That's
deal.
easy. Steering stuff isn't terrible. I mean, we'll put new, but it's not horrible.
No, some of it, we painted over this.
The box is a little seepy, so we can take that over to Advantage and they'll make that nice. It ain't no big deal. They actually have Chris's right now, which
Do
is
they?
the same box. Because it's basically the same car, but I think this one's cooler. All right. It's really fucking pretty nice.
Bushings on this cross member? You think it was just hard bolted like that?
Oh, I'm sure, because it's a BMF car.
Yeah.
Body bushing.
Somebody's been under here with a rattle can. Body bushing doesn't really look too bad though.
Why is there no? Oh, it bolts through the car. I was like, why is there no nut on that? But I think it comes through the top.
That's a good question actually.
There's no nut on this one either.
Yeah, maybe that's a threaded.
Threaded hole.
There's no nut on this either. There's some consistency. This looks a little funky.
Oh, that looks like it was patched.
Got a little bit of
ghetto.
repair here to do.
That ain't bad.
Floor pans look good.
Yeah,
For the most part.
we'll go through here and see what we got. I mean, I'm assuming we're gonna take the carpet out and everything anyway, right?
Yeah, the carpet's pretty well shot.
Ooh. My favorite, the Ford 9-inch. We got lots of stuff for that, Wick.
Yeah. Why is that thing flipping around like that today?
It's windy.
This shock is leaking back here.
That's an air shock too.
Yeah.
That can go bye-bye. I like the rattle can work on the exhaust. That's
Yeah.
We'll probably redo that anyway, huh?
Yeah, it needs bigger exhaust. This is choking the engine.
And we need to make it sound nasty.
Uh-huh. Sure. So what were we leaking over? Oh, wow. Yeah, we got a
All kinds of
axle seal leak, or I don't know what's leaking there.
kinds of scuds. It smells like gear oil.
That would make sense.
I don't know. Wick, what do you Wick, smell my fingers.
On that. Yeah, a little bit of rust over here. This will need some.
That needs a little love. I saw something on the door.
Yeah, the door.
Oh. Little Rubbins racing. Oh. Ooh, is that a little filler?
It looks like a lot of filler. Certainly looks like this has got filler. You can actually get these rockers now.
You can probably get most of this stuff now. I'm digging these traction bars.
Yeah, they're pretty cool, huh?
Yeah,
Bushings are shot in them, but
we can make that. Oh, that's cute.
mm-hmm.
That's high dollar.
Yeah.
And of course, getting blinded by the headlight
Sorry.
never ends
Never
around
ends.
here.
Yeah, see, these guys are
Oh yeah, those are a little on the.
missing one there, and this one clearly has seen better days.
Well,
But
you know what?
these springs are up.
Because they're tight in the front, not. This thing's got forward bite.
Yeah.
It's got a forward bite off the corner.
But you can see the way it's compressed there. This thing's been put through the paces at some point in this way.
Yeah,
Can't blame it for that.
I know. This car's a lot of fun. That is a fresh tank. I like how the straps totally aren't fucking touching.
They didn't do a very good job with the install of that.
And it definitely isn't as nice as our GTO
Now,
one.
and I like the way they used this old rotten rubber hose. You know,
Oh,
like,
that's
in
cute.
essence, replacing that 6-inch piece of hose.
Yeah, that's
But I
like
got
$3.
I got all new fuel line for it.
We'll redo all that.
There's your air shock.
No, we don't.
there's
Are we
your-
gonna delete air
Yeah.
shock and make it proper?
Yeah.
Wick likes proper. I
Yeah.
like proper.
So rust juice cancer right here, but it's in the here it looks like. And up here, maybe. Somebody's welded up here. That's what's causing that. Little burn through.
Burn through without some paint.
All in all, I mean, it's pretty good.
It's not bad at all, sir.
I mean, there's a couple of spots like this. You know, it's a pretty easy repair. It's kind of interesting. Like what transpired here with this separation? Whether somebody was thinking about replacing this, or I don't know. Because it should be like this, you know. This edge is all wonky. If somebody started trying to peel it apart and then said, it's all right, I'm gonna stop.
It'll probably tell the tale a little better when we get the interior apart.
Yeah. See what's happening on the top side.
Not bad.
Yeah.
I'm
We probably should replace these body bushings, but we may be able to do all this without even taking the body off the frame. Depending on what it looks like up above.
pretty damn nice.
Yeah, I'd say the first order of business would be to get all these suspension bushings and the suspension dialed in. So that's say brakes working.
Let's check out. Let's
And then we drive her and see what else happens.
well, should we try to warm her up today and maybe compression test it quick?
See if we can get her started.
Yeah, we'll make it work. I like it, Wick. I think we did really well, sir.
Yeah.
Good choice.
I like it. This rocker's actually not bad. It's got some surface rust on it, but what that is.
There's a little bit of,
Funkiness.
oh, I feel that.
Yeah, something happened here. That's Bondo magic.
Oh, look right here. There's still sanding marks.
Yeah.
Oop.
Yeah, so she needs some body work. It looks like that lip actually pulled down, doesn't it? Oh, this side's got something funky too. Feel how thick that lip is.
Oh. Hold on, let's see. Oh, let me get this. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's definitely a little filler up in there.
Yeah, it feels like a lot of filler.
Yeah. Oh, look at. It's Not bad though.
No, I think it'll clean up all right.
Bad.
This
I've seen a hell of a lot worse, I'll tell you that much.
hanger broke off of there. That'll have to be welded in, but that's not a big deal.
Well, all this shit's going bye-bye, so.
Yeah, actually, I don't think I've seen an exhaust on one of these that's that small. I mean, that's what, 2 inch and 3/4?
Maybe 2 1/4.
You think it's that big?
We should just build our own.
Yeah, it'd be nice to put a crossover on it.
Little X pipe. No, we'll go.
Right there.
Let's go full crazy. Come on, man.
Yeah, it should probably be a 3 inch, because what size are these collectors?
I think they're 3.
Yeah, so we should be doing 3 all the way back.
Whatever the collector is what we'll do.
Yeah.
Because we could build that here. Look at that T10. That's going to Justin eventually. That's going to Justin. Justin's got a line of just my customer shit. And then he's got his customers too. He's probably like, quit bringing me shit.
Yeah, these factory cast headers are
Cool.
pretty badass. Yeah, I have to look at the manual as to how this is supposed to go, but I'm guessing that it should be, if this is the right spring, it should either be this hole or this hole. Because it should not be rubbing on that. It's touching that. Oh, we got 3 choices here. If this is the right spring. Yeah, none of those look terribly great. I know they talk about a clutch return spring and bracket that's always missing up on the pedal assembly, so it almost seems like there should be a bracket, short bracket that comes off of here where this spring, oh man. Seems like that spring needs to be more over here, doesn't it?
Yeah, like
Be
it
clear of everything.
has an angle.
Yeah.
But you can't go too far.
No, because you got to stay out of steering.
Yeah.
So I don't know. We'll look in the book and see what the book says.
That's a little minor detail stuff we'll get to.
Yeah.
I say let's set this baby down and try to fire her up, get her up to temp. Maybe compression test her real quick. That sound good to you?